हेलो एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू। मैं हूं सुब्रत दास और आप देख रहे हैं मेरे चैनल इंग्लिश एंड मैथ ट्यूटोरियल ऑनलाइन क्लास। मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है आप सबको कि ये जो टॉपिक मैं लाया हूं आज, सर्कल, इसे आप एंड तक देखना है। जब आप स्किप कर जाओगे तो पूरे टॉपिक जो हम पढ़ाने जा रहे हैं तो आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा। तो इसलिए चलते हैं आज के टॉपिक की ओर, जो है सर्कल। ये ज्योमेट्री के एक इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है, सबके लिए एक जरूरीमंद टॉपिक है। तो पहले हम चलते हैं इसके डेफिनेशन की ओर। व्हाट इज ए सर्कल, तो इसे समझना है। तो जब तक समझ में नहीं आएगा तो हमें इस सर्कल के बारे में पता नहीं चलेगा। तो चलते हैं आज के टॉपिक की ओर। पहले, सर्कल इज द सेट ऑफ ऑल पॉइंट्स at a specific distance from a given point in 2 dimension. You just look at, circle is a set of all point, means look at the point. These are the points here from a specific distance, that means center. Specific distance, the distance equal to each other from the center given point in 2 dimension. So it is the definition of circle. Now I am going to discuss about the parts of the circle in very clearly. So you should go with the chapter. First of all, the parts of the circle. पार्ट्स ऑफ ए सर्कल में पहले आता है जो रेडियस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, रेडियस, you just look at the diagram, can understand better. Just look at O, the center of the circle. OA, you just look at OA. The distance from center to its dimension is the radius. It is radius. So the radius from center to all the dimension are equal. Do you understand? The radius is the distance from the center to its outer rim. It is the distance it is the distance from the point to its outer rim, and all the radius are equal to each other, and we can draw maximum number of or indefinite number of radius through the center. You understand? Now the second one is the chord. It is also important. Just look at the diagram. That is called chord. A chord is, just look at the definition. A chord is the line segment which endpoints locate on the arc of the circle. You just look at AB, the line segment, and it also is, it's a two endpoints ends with a ऑन आर्क ऑफ द सर्कल। देखो सर्कल्स, देखो ये सर्कल की जो एंड पॉइंट है, जो सर्कल की जो ऊपर है, ऊपर के हिस्से में ए बी है यहाँ पर, तो कॉर्ड जो है इसका जो दो एंड पॉइंट है जो सर्कल के ऊपर है। समझ में आए? तो अब चलते हैं आगे। तीसरे नंबर पर आता है डायमीटर। You just look at the diagram. Here AB is the diameter of the circle, and it is called it is the longest chord of the circle. You just अंडरस्टैंड, लॉन्गेस्ट कॉर्ड। पिछले जो पॉइंट में था जो कॉर्ड के बारे में, वो था जस्ट छोटा सा था, जो ए बी हमने सीखे थे यहाँ पर, ए बी ये जस्ट कॉर्ड था। बट हियर ए बी इज द लॉन्गेस्ट कॉर्ड दैट क्रॉस विथ द सेंटर ऑफ द सर्कल। समझ में आए? अब चलते हैं फोर्थ पॉइंट की ओर, जो है सेकंड। जस्ट लुक एट डायग्राम। द लाइन which intersect the circle is called the secant. You just look at A and B is the point, and AB is line passes through the circle, and it also intersect. So AB is called the secant of the circle. Now the fifth point is the tangent. What is tangent? Just see the diagram and can understand better. Look at the line passes through with the circle in a single point. The line intersect the circle at a single point. Just look at AB is the line passes with the point P, that is called tangent. Now sixth point of tangent. Here look at the same diagram. P is the point where the tangent passes through. Here P is the point where the tangent passes through. That is called the point of tangent. Now next is segment. Look at segment. Segments of the circle. Just look at the diagram. Just look at segment. This is the point, we call it segment. It is called the minor segment, and this one, just look at major segment. This is minor segment, and that one is major segment. Now we will discuss about in detail. The segment is the area bounded by the chord, and what is minor segment? The segment which is less than the semicircle. Just look at semicircle means half of the circle, but it is minor, so it is less than the semicircle. But the segment which is less than the semicircle called minor segment. But the segment, just look at the segment which is more than the semicircle called major segment. You just understand? Now sector of the circle. Just look at it. I will go through the diagram. Just look at this part and that part. Just look at the sector. This is called the sector where two radius joined with an arc, and that is called minor sector. And the upper one, that means, look at minor sector AXB is minor sector. Now AMB, just look at AMB is the major sector. Sorry, major sector. You understand? Now I will go through its a definition. What is sector? Sector is the area connected with the arc by two radii. That means here AO and OB are two radii, and now AXB is its arc. So what is minor sector and major sector? Minor sector is the shortest angle formed by the two radii. And just look at, this is the minor sector. Now major sector is the longest angle formed by the two radii. That means it create area. Look at the angle formed there and create an area, that is the major sector, and now minor sector, shortest angle. So these are the part of the circle I discuss about. Now I'm just telling about, you can skip the video where you can understand and can watch it again and again to understand better. So this is the class about circle, and keep watching my next video to feel better. Stay home and stay safe.